And what up, what's good with y'all? So I'm getting ready to edit right now, and I kind of want to try things a little different. I see a lot of people on YouTube, they're using that free, you know, the free copyright music that usually sounds like computer typing class music. So unfortunately, YouTube, with all the copyright stuff, it gets hard finding good music or good beats that aren't copyright. So you have to search crazy hard to try to find something. So today I'm gonna try to use some like background music. I've never done it before, but today I want to just try something new, something different. Let me know if you guys like it or not. If not, then I'll go back to the old style, not using music at all, because I personally prefer that way. But I know some people were like, oh, you know, need a little bit of background music, so we're gonna try it. I don't know, I can't find any good beats, so like, it is what it is. This is pretty much all I can really find. So yeah, I'm gonna try this and see how it goes, but enjoy. Today we have some Foxbody content for y'all. We're gonna be working on Aaron's Foxbody today. Y'all seen he just got the transmission. I had something lined up to where I was gonna have one of my friends do it. My other partner said that he'd do it, but Aaron kind of wants to, you know, he wants to do it on his own, or he wants to be there when it's getting done. So instead of, you know, having somebody else do it, I decided to help him do it. The thing is, a lot of people think that I can't work on cars or whatever their logic may be. It's not that I can't work on cars, it's that I really don't like working on cars. Like, as weird as that sounds, like I love cars, but I don't really like working on cars. The reason for that is because I went to college, did the whole automotive trade thing, blah, blah, blah. When I started working in the field as like a tech, I started working for Firestone, then I worked for Big O. That's when I kind of realized that, you know, when I made my hobby my profession, I didn't really have time to do my hobby, didn't have time to work on my own cars. And it just became one of those things where I really just kind of like started not like working on cars. So for me, I don't give a like, bro, I built my own car, I did all my own, bro, I put a wrench on myself. Like, that don't matter to me, man. Like, it really don't. It's like to build 3 cars all at once while you having to pay other people, that means I have to damn near grind 10 times harder than most people that sit there. You're like, oh, you know, you can save $1 here because you're doing stuff yourself or whatever. It's like, I have to grind. For me, it's like, I have to get money. If I'm trying to work on all 3 cars at once, it's not cheap. It's definitely very expensive. It's like, my mindset is hustle, 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 get money, get it done.
Motherfucker is okay.
What up, Blood?
What up, Blood? Summer, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah.
Come on, stop sleeping. So, what's up? Let's jack this thing up.
Jack this thing up.
Need to get this done before it get hot.
Save me some money.
Right? Save you a couple hundred. I had woke up, I was like, man, I'm like, it's a cool day.
I was thinking about it too, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm like, it's easy. So it's like, let me hit this nigga and see if he want to do it. Pull that wheel. Oh.
Wow.
What is that?
I don't know.
Let me see. Let me get down there. Wiggle the wheel. You didn't tighten the coilover.
I did.
Wiggle it. I'm looking at the coilover move right now. It's the hub assembly.
It ain't from the bottom?
Right here, do it. Yeah, I can see it. Who's man? Obviously you want to practice your safety and use your jack stands. Come on, best YouTube impersonation. Right now, we practicing.
Alright everybody, that's how you use your jack stands properly.
When you ain't got no game?
Yeah.
Bruh, seriously?
Yeah.
Here, let me, bruh.
Nah, don't be trying to show off. You already got it, bro.
Hold that.
Man,
Step on the brake.
Y'all see how you do me, man?
Step on the brake.
So I don't be in his videos no more.
Cause you ain't got no games. All you tell me you hit the gym. Is you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, from the buff man.
Damn.
From the buff man, y'all.
Bro, you went to the cheap tire shop and they blast this motherfucker on. That's what happened. That's bad.
From the buff man.
It's your car. You take these wheels off.
From the buff man.
Stop going to them tire shops where they don't torque shit. Just hit your shit.
Hey, you right.
Lucky this might fall off.
Hit the brake, fella.
Man.
This shit's stupid. These are like 200 pounds of torque right now.
Man, they try to make sure these motherfuckers don't come off.
They hit your shit wasn't even with a Milwaukee. They hit your shit with a Texas, a Alabama. You might have to move the exhaust. Yeah, you probably got to drop the exhaust. It sucks because you got to drop that shit in the headers. Yeah, you probably gonna have to drop the exhaust though, because we gonna need to get to this cross member. So exhaust, drive shaft, that's easy. It's only 4 bolts back there. But yeah, the exhaust gotta get dropped. So start, I guess start dropping the exhaust.
It's not even hot no more.
Drop the exhaust, that way we got some room to work in here. You comfortable under there, cuz?
Hell nah. Hate this. Me and Cam will do this just like this.
All on the ground,
On the ground, nigga. Every day.
I ain't getting under there with you until it's time to pull them out.
Fuck you.
So while he under here doing the peon stuff, I'm gonna continue to sip my strawberry banana smoothie. You feel me? See that, sun? Boy, it's beaming out here. So you know you gotta stay hydrated. My side's off already.
No. For sale. Anybody looking? For sale, motherfucker.
Nah. Next, drive shaft. And then after the drive shaft, we'll lower the transmount and start unbolting it.
Yeah, dry shaft, huh?
Your parts, nigga. Your parts. So next, we're taking the transmount off right now. And then from there, we're just gonna disconnect the trans, and we're gonna leave the bell housing attached. Should make it quick and easy. Then we can throw it back together. Damn, my side out. Boy, who taught you how to wrench? Keep going. Nah, don't hit it. Keep going. I'm trying to strip the top of it so we ain't be able to get it back in, or the nut back on. Almost there.
Mike, when you get a chance, you want to grab these?
Okay.
We don't grab these. You said grab these. We don't grab these. Grab what? These nuts.
These nuts. So last bolt coming off right now, and then this should be ready to drop out like Aaron did in high school.
Not me. Got my high school diploma. That's the one thing I did do. I might been a fuck up, but I graduated. You did?
I had this thing out.
Huh?
So by the time you get here with the jack, I'm gonna have it out.
Damn,
It's out! It's out! You're stupid under here.
you the stupid one.
There you go. Hold on. Push it back. No, twist it this way. And then back. All right, hold on. Ready, go. You gotta lift, nigga.
Oh yeah.
Don't let this one fall. Wiggle in, push off.
Hey, let's see if y'all can hear it.
Yeah. shit's done.
And I was in gear. I shouldn't be doing that.
So while Aaron swapped the mount over to the new trans, get the little sensors and stuff swapped over that aren't on this one that we need on that one, I'm about to go take a dump real quick. So you got this?
Yeah, I got this.
Yeah, that's that smoothie.
Oh, that's that clean and smoothie.
When I come back, you should be ready to drop this in.
Yeah.
Hey, back in about 35, 45 minutes.
Hey, that's that clean and smoothie.
Clean them colons out. All right, on the phase 2 of this. I'm done, 10 pounds lighter. So, getting ready to get this thing up in there. Up. Put it in there.
Somewhere in there.
Gotta wiggle it. Wiggle it and push.
Come on, bitch.
Come on. There we go.
There you go.
Push that bolt in. Hurry up, get the bolt in. Come on, wiggle it and push. Push high.
Come my way.
Hold on.
You're not lined up.
Push the transmission. Nigga, the transmission can move. Push it up and sideways. Push the transmission up. And then sideways. This way. There you go. Hold on. Up. You gotta go up. Ready? Go. Up more. This side gotta go up. Ready? Go. There we go. All right, my bolt's in. Then tighten yours all the way up, and also tighten the middle one right here. So tighten up the drive shaft now. Everything else is in, and we're pretty much ready to go. Exhaust gotta go back on, and then fluids. Sucks. Look how clean the trans look, and then you go right here. You see the mounts and all the other shit oily as hell. This man never want to use the proper tool at hand. He don't want to keep going back and forth to that toolbox.
Yeah. Screw, bud.
It ain't the screw. It's the user of the tool.
Yeah, whatever, nigga. User of your...
Ooh, sucker.
Ooh, nigga, I got
sucker.
it. Nah, don't try to
sucker.
turn on the camera and move
Sucker.
my hand. Watch out. I'm trying to move my hand after the screw already covered out. Talk shit. Fuck you.
So I learned today that world-class trans, they all use automatic transmission fluid. That's something I didn't know, but after looking it up to figure out what fluid went in here, found out that they use Dextron 3 or 4 automatic trans fluid. So now we just button up the last little bit of it, exhaust everything back on. Already threw it in gear, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse, all work now. So my man's got a running car again.
Yeah.
How you feeling under there?
Man, I feel good. And I, did it on my own with Mike, so it's good. Save some money.
Save some money. Now we can get that hood, bruh. We need that cow hood. All right, go drive this around the block, see how it is.
Way different.
So you just did your test drive on it, how it's feeling?
Way better, boy. Janky, love you, boy. You done looked out for me again, man. You done looked out for me again. You know what I'm saying? Like you said, Carl, if it's some problems, it ain't no problems. I'm telling you that right now. You know what I'm saying? Nah,
Yeah.
but it's way better with this transmission.
I heard you over there doing donuts too, bruh.
I just popped it a little bit. I had to bust a U-turn.
You already doing hood rash. Just wanted to take a few pictures, but I'm hella dirty, so we gotta clean this thing first before we do anything. Right, look in the backyard. It's gonna be a bucket right there with some soap in. Look at all that dirt. Damn. This thing dirty. Yep.
Hey, that's as much as some change without being driven.
Shit, hella dirty.
Or taken care of.
Just took a couple little photos. Aaron getting ready to shake, but you already know what time it is. Even though you leaving, we gotta get a swing check before you cut, bruh.
Man, a
Swing check.
I can go to the car to do a swing check.
Well, light these motors up.
You don't want to move the Z?
Nah, pull forward. Definitely don't want you boofing the Z. Pull this thing forward. But yeah, we're gonna be wrapping this up. We're gonna be calling it a day. Short, little, quick, little Mustang video for y'all. But yeah, until next time.